If you find yourself unable to follow people on Instagram, it can be frustrating and perplexing. Several factors could be at play here, and understanding them might help you navigate this issue more smoothly. First, consider the possibility that you've hit the platform's following limit. Instagram has set a cap on how many accounts you can follow, which is currently at 7,500. If you've reached this limit, you'll need to unfollow some accounts before you can add new ones. Another reason could be related to your account's status. If you've recently created a new account, Instagram may temporarily restrict your ability to follow others as a precaution against spam behavior. This is especially true if you follow too many accounts in a short period. The platform employs algorithms to detect and mitigate spam-like activities. And if your actions appear suspicious, you may find yourself facing restrictions. Additionally, if you've been reported by other users, or if your account has violated Instagram's community guidelines, you might experience limitations on your activity. In such cases, reviewing the guidelines and ensuring your content aligns with them can help restore your account's functionality. Lastly, technical glitches can also cause issues. If everything seems in order, but you still can't follow anyone, try logging out and back in, clearing the app cache, or even reinstalling the app. Sometimes these simple troubleshooting steps can resolve unexpected problems. Ultimately, understanding these potential barriers can empower you to take action. Whether it's managing your following list, adhering to community standards, or troubleshooting technical issues, there's usually a solution within reach. Keep exploring and engaging with the platform, and soon enough, you'll be back to following your favorite accounts. Stay up to date with Famety on social media. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.